lire,
means to read. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to read in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
avoir,
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
lu,
Now, we have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I read.
j'ai lu,
You read. Informal way.
tu as lu,
He read. Masculine.
il a lu,
She read. Feminine.
elle a lu,
We read. Informal way.
on a lu,
We read. Formal way.
nous avons lu,
You read. Formal way.
vous avez lu,
They read. Group of males or mixed people.
ils ont lu,
They read. Group of only females.
elles ont lu.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I read an interesting book last night.
J'ai lu un livre intéressant hier soir. J'ai lu un livre intéressant hier soir.
You read this poem aloud.
Tu as lu ce poème à voix haute. Tu as lu ce poème à voix haute.
He read an article about the economy.
Il a lu un article sur l'économie. Il a lu un article sur l'économie.
She read the letter carefully.
Elle a lu la lettre avec attention. Elle a lu la lettre avec attention.
We read a poem in class.
On a lu un poème en classe. On a lu un poème en classe.
We read a novel together.
Nous avons lu un roman ensemble. Nous avons lu un roman ensemble.
You read every word carefully.
Vous avez lu chaque mot attentivement. Vous avez lu chaque mot attentivement.
They read the instructions before starting.
Ils ont lu les instructions avant de commencer. Ils ont lu les instructions avant de commencer.
They read the news online.
Elles ont lu les nouvelles sur Internet. Elles ont lu les nouvelles sur Internet.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai lu. Tu as lu. Il a lu. Elle a lu. On a lu. Nous avons lu. Vous avez lu. Ils ont lu. Elles ont lu.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.